What is good, my people? What is good? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the Friday stream. As usual, before we actually get into anything, I'd like to check our calendar first to see what we really have, what went down today already, what's gonna happen today, and what we should expect. And so far, just 22 minutes ago, we had GBP/AUD news. We had some red folders there. As you can see, they came out positive. So we should be having some bullish prices on the GBP pairs, you know. So with that being said, that's something to actually pay attention to. And then later on, 8:30 a.m. we have CAD news. We got employment change and unemployment rate. So that's something also to pay attention to during the New York session. And then also later on, 10 a.m. we got some the prelim red folder. So that's also something to actually pay attention on during the New York session. Something to consider, you know. I highly recommend not trading any high impact news. Don't execute any trades right before the high impact news for obvious reasons. You don't want to be caught up in the wrong direction or the manipulation or the spikes or the spreads, as you all know what happens when there are red folder news, right? So I always recommend, if you're intraday session, if you're intra session trading, always try to trade post high impact news, right after 5 minutes after. That's when you should be looking for your setup. So yeah, I guess good morning from Uganda. Hey man, good morning from South Africa. How are you today? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing great today. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would say with how I use the economic calendar. I try as much not to take any trades during your news. I'm trying to actually implement a fundamental system where like I can go deeper into the fundamentals and really like know what to expect from the dollar or the CAD or whatever when there's impact news. So yeah, that's something that I actually am trying to implement. But so far, I try as much to not take any trades when there are high impact news, then only take trades during the after post, 5 minutes after post news. So doing good, bro. Amen. Glad you're good. So let's hop on our chart. Oh my god, let's go to the DXY first before anything. On yesterday's stream, as y'all saw, I was actually expecting more higher prices. Expecting more lower prices from the DXY, the dollar index, to reject off of this H4 CB. And then as you can see, price did dip above, closed above it, and then now we kind of just yesterday during the New York session, price just dipped lower, and that's exactly what I wanted. Ido, good morning from Lagos, Nigeria. Good morning, man. Good to be here. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you are here. Good to have you here, man. Nima, that's good, man. I'm great. I am great. How are you? How are you doing today? Rich, good morning from Rwanda, Kigali. Is that am I pronouncing that right? Kigali. Nima, Alan, you promised to start the journal shit. You're too late, Nima. You're too late. You already started. You started on Wednesday. We started on Wednesday, Nima. In the description box of this stream, there will be a thing in there. I already started. Just ask for permission to view, and then I'll accept it right here. Just ask for permission to actually have access to the sheet where we already started on Wednesday. Started the sheet. Let me pull it up real quick. You're the one who's late. It's not me, it's you. Right here. Yeah, we already started the sheet. Let me post it in the chat. So yeah, it's in the chat. Just click that, and then I'll just accept your permission for you to view. This is where we'll be recording all the trades that we will be taking on the stream. And as you can see, we're already in losses. Yesterday we took a Euro USD trade which didn't play out our way, and right after hitting SL, this thing just flew. It just took off. I already had buys, swing trade buy on the Euro USD, but this was an intraday session trade. This was the intraday session trade that we took during London yesterday, which we actually hit SL. So, and then the day before that, I actually live streamed during the New York session, and then we tried to actually take a nice trade sell, and then as you can see, we took out, and then it didn't go away. But later on, after the stream, I ended up taking a sell again. If most of y'all are in the Telegram channel, you probably saw that, and then actually hit TP. So yeah, Nemo, you're the one who's late. You're the one who is late. So yeah, just ask for permission, or just accept it. So with that being said, with the dollar index had lower prices, and currently we're in a H4 market structure shift with the BC, even though we closed a little bit above it, even though at least Edu here again. Welcome back, man. Welcome back to the stream. How are you doing today? Hope you're good. So yeah, currently we're in a H4 BC. We're in a H4 BC and also a daily BC, as you can see there. Prices rebalanced this daily BC. We might be in a case where price will just reject off and give us more higher prices, or it might give us more lower prices, since we took out the previous day low, and then also we still haven't really made equal lows with yesterday's low and today low, and currently we're in a premium price, so we might have more lower prices. So just gonna monitor that and see how how the dollar index will be moving from here. You know, just gonna see what we really you missed out a lot, bro. Yeah, you missed out. You missed out. So just gonna jump into the Euro USD, and yeah, I had a swing buy, obviously, from that daily. If you've been here for the past 3 streams, you probably know this trade. I've been looking at buys from that market structure shift daily and a BC. As you can see, price wicked below. We kind of tried to take a quick buy yesterday on EURUSD, which we got tapped out during this, but the swing was still holding because the SL was a little bit below there. So currently targeting that buy side liquidity there, but trades partials, I already took out 50-70% of my partials on this trade. So that's just a swing trade. That's just a swing trade that I took 3 days ago. That's just a swing trade that I took 3 days ago too, I think. So yeah, I see trader, what's good, man? What's good? I am good. How are you? EU. I'm guessing you wanted to say Asia sweep. I'm guessing that's what you wanted to say. We haven't swept anything currently. Still waiting. I'd actually like to see it take out Asia low so we can buy it off again. Reason why also looking at the daily, we're currently in a discount. We did take previous day high, which is a good thing, but also we have this high here, and then also I'm targeting that buy side liquidity there. So yeah, still expecting more higher prices on that, and currently we're in a discount, so it's a good place to actually take a sell. To take a buy, and then also price rejecting off of this the week's order block. And then obviously if we take the whole candlestick and then we're looking at the mean threshold, price is just playing around that mean threshold of that order block, that bullish order block. So we'll just see how that actually plays out. But if price can actually take out that sell side, if you can take out that Asia low, I'll be happy to actually look for buys. But today is TGIF. Today's TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. So it's TGIF. So yeah, just gonna see if we are retracing 20% of the weekly candle, which whether we are retracing or what, you know. So I don't know. I requested to say get access to the journal. I think you have to accept. Okay, I'll check it now. I don't see any emails, but I'll just check it. What's BC? I'm probably the only one who don't know. BC, it's a fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap. And then STB, it's a bearish fair value gap. I can just simply call them fair value gap instead of BC or CB, you know. By using a BC or CB, I'm just separating the two. It's a bearish order block, a bearish fair value gap and a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, Asia starts from 8 p.m. to 6. Mine, I started from, I want the whole range. I want the whole range of Asia. So mine starts from 6. From 8, I feel like that's where the kill zone is. That's from 8, that's the kill zone. When you start your Asia range from here, that's the kill zone, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. So I want the whole Asia range, not just the kill zone. I want the whole Asia range. Yeah, so obviously if you're looking at if it starts, yours starts from 8 p.m. yeah, obviously already swept buy side, it already swept Asia high, right? But mine, I started from 6. I want the whole Asia range, and then yeah. So yeah, man, yeah, you can still keep your 8. It's not wrong, you know. It's not wrong. It's correct. Most people use that, and also some people also use from 6. So yeah, either way it's fine. Let me check the email. I haven't really got the email, so I'm not really quite sure. I haven't got. Oh, I see a lot of y'all requested. Oh my god. You know, there's a problem. I don't know why. This is insane. Like, this is insane, to be honest. Because I can see most of y'all requested, but it doesn't show. Like, it doesn't show. I don't know why. Like, they all go straight to this is crazy. They all go straight to my spam. I don't know why. My spam folder. And I can see y'all have been requested. I was so surprised why most of y'all like don't ask for permission. And now that I'm checking my spam folder, there's that all there. I don't know why. My Google emails go straight to spam. Do you guys have a way that you know I can actually fix this? Because I've been trying. I accepted everybody's request. I hope y'all don't kill me. I'm sorry, but I tried to accept that. Accepted everybody. All my Google messages, look at this, guys. Let me show you this. All my Google messages go straight to trash. I don't know why. Like, literally everything that comes from Google goes straight to trash. Like, I don't understand how this is happening. Why all my Google messages, everything that comes from Google goes straight to trash. I don't understand. I do not understand. Request for what? Requesting to have access to this. Requesting to have access to where I log in all the trades that we take on stream. That's what everybody's. Yeah, I can see most of y'all are already here. Y'all can comment and all that. Yeah, dope. You may have used a filter. I'll try to fix that, to be honest. I'll try to fix that, because yeah, it's actually annoying. It is actually annoying as hell. So I'll try to fix that. I will try to fix it. But anyway, let's move on. If you can request, I'll try as much to check in the thingy, everything, and I'll try to accept it all the time. So Shiku, good morning. How are you this morning? I hope you're doing great. I actually had an idea of actually selling gbpjpy, forgetting that was actually high impact news, and then out of nowhere this thing just spiked up, and I was like, oh yeah, it's definitely has something to do with the news. And then looking at the H4, is it the H4 H1? We're actually in a bearish fair value gap in a CB, right? We have this market structure shift, and then we're currently in a CB. So let's go on a daily real quick just to see. We took out previous day low. We're currently also in a daily order block. So another question is, are we gonna get more bearish prices? So that's one thing to actually pay attention to. I want to see a market structure shift on a 5-minute with the CB, so I'll be actually watching this. There's a trade to actually pay attention to this session. I'm actually looking for sells on gbpusd currently. If you get a market structure shift, we're in it. And then we have EURUSD, which is going for our Asia low. And then the gbpusd, let's try to see. Of course, there's that big SMT because we had the news on GBP just a few minutes ago. As you can see, gbpusd just flew up, took out Asia high, and then yeah, so we got that gigantic SMT diversion, that big ass SMT, where gbpusd took out Asia high, and then EURUSD failed to do that, and then we're closer to taking the low, while gbpusd is just far away from that. Heidi, morning, how are you? How are you? How are you this morning? Yes, I'll just accept some of your requests. Let me see. Okay, we got some of y'all, but yeah, EU. Are you waiting for EU to break Asia low and then sell or buy off Asia low? Buy. Waiting for a break on Asia low to buy it. That's what we're waiting for. But I would like to actually see, I'd actually like to see EURUSD take out this, let's sell side there first before we actually buy it off. If you can actually take that out, I'd be happy to be comfortable buying it. If price can actually do that, I'll be much happy. If you can take it out with momentum, then we go higher. I would actually like to see that. Aussie Swiss, what's your view? Looking for sales. Aussie Swiss. Okay, Aussie Swiss, right? Saying you're looking for sells. Let's look at the daily first. A little bit noisy. Okay, took out this day's high, previous day high already spin swept. We have that buy side liquidity there that looks like it wants to be swept, and then I'm guessing this is that's a weekly CB, which we tapped into it, but consequent encroachment would mean a lot. So if you're saying you're looking for sells, where are you looking to sell is the question. And then price is rejecting off of this inversion fair value gap. As you can see, price is just rejecting off of this inversion fair value gap. So what I would like to see is price go below and then come back and retest it, use it as a also inversion fair value gap, a bearish inversion fair value gap, to give us more lower prices. And then obviously long term or short term, ICT trader, long term or short term, are you looking forward to sell it short term? Are you looking forward to buy it short term? I mean, sell short term or long term? Sorry about that. 15-minute. We're currently in a 15-minute CB. We're currently in a 15-minute CB, and yeah, we're literally in the middle of Asia high and Asia low. We're actually in consequent encroachment, main halfway point. So the question is, if you want to sell, why are you selling it? It's a swing trade. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know where you want to sell it from, where you're planning to sell it from, because what I'm seeing is a buy. Reason why H4 made a low and then went up, took out that sell side liquidity, and then have this order block here, and then we created this market structure shift on the H4 with the fair value gap. Price dipped into it, tapped it, and then now rejecting off of that. And not only that, we have this inversion fair value gap, which price is just rejecting off of from. So I might be a little bit bullish until price breaks below. Until price breaks below, I'm bullish on Aussie Swiss. So yeah, gbpjpy. Let's see if we are getting like I said, we already tapped that consequent encroachment of this CB. Consequent encroachment of that CB. So I'm just gonna put this chart on the side so we don't miss an entry. So we don't miss an entry. And then put chat here. So as I was saying, somebody said gbpjpy, right? Let's check out gbpjpy. Starting more or less the same thing. Looks like more or less the same thing with gbp. As you can see, price swept up, reject off of this daily BC, and then started taking off from there. This was it Tuesday when I went on live stream on Tuesday? Was it Tuesday? Oh yeah, this is Monday. This is Friday. Friday's analysis. Yeah, this was Friday's analysis, and then Monday, this is when I actually had like I was actually looking for a buy, and I was hoping that price on the H4 would actually, I had limits here, and then I wanted price to actually tap into this BC before I can actually buy. And as you can see, price nearly did that, and then I wasn't tapped in, so I just left this trade. So as you can see, we are actually just bullish on the gbpjpy, to be honest. And then we have that order block there. Switching to the 1 hour, we're just creating more highs and highs and highs and highs. Market structure shifts, you know, just keep pushing. Let me go to the 15 minutes. We currently already took out Asia high, but the way it's looking, it's a bullish trend. So selling this wouldn't be a good idea. I would have liked it if we actually took Asia low. If we came to take out Asia low, that would be a nice buy for the day. But looking at the daily, I mean for hour, we're currently in a CB currently, right? Currently in a CB. Obviously, to confirm the CB that we're gonna sell, we need that 15 minutes market structure shift. You know, we need that 15-minute market structure shift. So yeah. So gbpjpy still bullish, heavy on bullish until we get market structure shifts. Until then, I am bullish. So yeah. Your take on gold. My take on gold, we're bullish. I actually had a buy. Most of y'all who are actually in the Telegram channel, Telegram group channel, I actually had buys from, let me see if I still have, okay, I think I removed it. I had buys from Monday, from Tuesday, all the way from down there, which I actually posted long. I took longs from targeting buy side liquidity, and then let me try to pull it up. Let me try to pull that trade, that gold trade. Yes, this was the gold trade that I had. I've been bullish this week on gold. So this was a gold trade that I actually posted on the Telegram channel. Reason why being sell side was swept right here. Sell side was swept. We went to buy side, and then buy side here created another buy side, and then we swept all that buy side. And then, as you know, external to internal. So from external liquidity, internal is this BC. So price did tip into that BC, and my target was a little bit on that buy side. And then obviously, let me see what, now this was Eurusd. Let me see if I can get the result. And then obviously this was a day after, I think. Can you guys see what's happening? Yeah, this was a day after. I was on a buy, still holding, and then it kept chopping around this area. To be honest, it kept chopping around for 2 days, literally just chopping around. And then finally, as you can see right now, prices just took off, right? As you can see, prices just let me do this quick. As you can see right now, why do you do this? As you can see, price from there just took off. So that was a great trade. And then currently we're in a CB. We're in a H4 CB, right? So I would actually like to see price reject off of this CB. We already took our buy side, even though I know the next liquidity is up there, and also have this buy side liquidity up here. But I actually want to see some sort of reversal from this CB. So what I will do is I'll just keep waiting on the 15-minute just to see if you actually get that, you know, just to see if we actually get that CB. just to see if you get that microstructure shift on the 15-minute to actually hop on sells. But as you can see right now, we're just bullish. So if you get any microstructure shift inside that CB, that H4 CB, I'll be looking forward to taking sells on this trade. So that's my view on gold. Heidi, hope I answered you. Shiku, USD CAD. I haven't traded USD CAD in a while. The last time I checked it, I was actually looking for a swing trade. And then as you can see, I got my IPTA data right there. Let's delete all of this. Sell side took out, and then this is March opening, and we're currently in a discount. Previous day low taken out. We're currently in a premium for the day to actually sell it off if you're actually looking for sells. So we got this order block. I don't really have much on USD CAD. I don't really know what to expect on the USD CAD. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect than bearish, because even though we have this order block, but my daily is telling me that we might be selling off. But the fact that we already took out a previous day low, prices might keep going higher. But a part of me also says, what if we just keep running up? But we already took out sell side here, so I don't see any reason why we're gonna keep going lower. But yeah, and also have prices dipped into this H4 CB, and also we have this balanced price range here. We have this BC and we have this CB. So yeah, prices might just reject off of that and then give us more lower prices. You can use the DXY just to give you an idea on what you can have. And also we have news on the Canadian dollar today. At 8:30 a.m. So it is a good pair to actually look at during the New York session. It's a pair to watch out for the New York session. So yeah, your USDT analysis was spot on. It did exactly the same movement you said yesterday. Exactly, yeah. Even during the New York, right? I actually wanted to take another buy. I actually wanted to take a buy, which I didn't. I ended up looking at NAS. I ended up looking at NAS, which I actually regretted. I wish I actually took USDT instead of NAS. But looking at, this is what we were looking at yesterday. I'm guessing this is what we were looking at yesterday. Market structure shift. I was hoping that price would reject into the mean threshold of that market structure shift, and that's exactly what we did. As you can see there, market structure shift tapped into the consequent encroachment, not mean threshold, consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, and then switched to the 15-minute. I was actually hoping to get like a market structure shift, which obviously here we did, yeah, but it didn't confirm. But if you go to the 5 minutes, that's where the gold was, right? Was it the 5 minutes? Yeah, even the 5 minutes created an order block there. Prices dipped into it and then just took off. No drawdown whatsoever. This is a trade that I wanted to take, but because I'm stubborn, I wanted to take the toxic partner, NAS. I was gonna get the toxic one. And then also order block tapped into min threshold. As you can see, we spiked higher, and then we came back to tap into the min threshold of it again, and then prices just took off. So USDT analysis, very spot on. Ali, yeah, they were actually spot on, amazing. Which some way somehow I didn't take part of it, but I did take the NAS though. The NAS, definitely I took trades on the NAS, even though it wasn't as clean as US30. I did take trades on the NAS. The first trade that I took, I actually bent. This is actually the trade that made me regret why I didn't just take US30. I tried to take this market structure shift here when prices dipped in, and then I was stopped out, and then waited for that sell side to be swept, which I should have did in a way. I should have waited for the sell side to be swept, and then as you can see from there I started buying. That's when I started looking for looking at a 1 minute chart, looking for an entry to buy. As you can see here, another one, market structure shift. As you can see, prices dipped into that order block there after the market structure shift, and then prices just took off after that. So yeah, that was a good trade. Let me quickly go back to the EURUSD so we don't miss anything. It's currently in the same price, so holy shit, guys, we are distracted here. We are distracted. And the crazy thing is that on the other screen I'm actually looking at GU instead of EU, so I didn't actually see this. Did we get a market structure shift? Not the one that I would trade. We did get this market structure shift, but there was no confirmation whatsoever. Prices did drop, right, and then give us a low, and we did get a market structure shift, but prices didn't tap into that BC. So even though it's playing out, even though it's flying, I don't think I would have went into this trade. Still, I don't think I would have went into this trade because it hasn't yet confirmed, right? It hasn't yet confirmed. If price did tap into that fair value gap, yeah, I'd have probably taken, but this is not my best trade to take. Yeah. Let me check out. I actually wanted to take a trade here too, but only if we took out Asia low, because on the daily it's looking clean. We created a discount. I wanted to take it anywhere from the discount. I wanted to take this buy anywhere from the discount, which we didn't actually. That discount, we only got it during the Asia session. The Asia session is the one that created that discount. As you can see, prices just swept, came back. Market structure shift. Those are the only trade that I could have taken. Market structure shift with a CB. I always miss this type of entries on DEX for some reason. This is a way to trade. There's a way to trade trending markets. As you can see, market structure shift, dipped in, and then prices just took off. So yeah, got a little bit carried away, and yeah, I wasn't really looking at it to take a trade. I just wanted to tape read it. So yeah, EURUSD, yeah, we're looking for buys. Even though we're looking for buys, but it hasn't yet really gave us what we want. ND, welcome to the stream, man. Nima, you're in buys. That's dope. I'm guessing you took them right after Asia low, right? So that's dope. Jewel, do you think NAS continue because I've buy since yesterday? What do you think on NAS? Let's see. Yeah, it's up. Whoa, if you're in buys, just log profits and hold this thing. If you're in buys, just log profits and hold this thing. It'll probably reverse during New York session. Reversals will start during New York session, but for now, this thing is gonna go up. Then New York session might start dropping, especially for the TGIF. We might get the TGIF during the London session. I mean the New York session. So now higher prices, New York session might drop it down before we close. Bought the EU but did tap me in. Oh, you bought the EU. Oh, most of y'all did buy the EU. That's nice. That is really nice that most of y'all actually bought the EU. It's nice that most of y'all already bought the EU. But if EU can actually come back, no, if you can actually come back into that, I'll be happy to take a buy. 10 pip stop. If prices can, oh my god, if prices can actually come back into that, I'll be happy. I'll be happy to take the trade just below that sell side liquidity there. If price can actually come back and tap in, I am taking the trade. I would have avoided it. ICT, guessing talking about euro odd. I'll go into that. Joel says thanks. Cool, man, you're welcome. It didn't tap you in. Oh yeah. Because I didn't confirm. This is not my best. You see, this is the same trade that we got yesterday. I don't like this type of trades, guys. I don't like this type of trades where the market structure shift doesn't happen inside that. I mean, the fair value gap doesn't happen inside the market structure shift. Like, I don't like this type of trades. I want it to happen inside. And what do I mean by that? This is what I mean. This is a market structure shift. I want that market structure shift to pierce through the fair value gap. This is the best trade to do. This is what I will take. This is what I would take. I don't even know how we actually missed this. What time was it? This was before the kill zone. This was right in the kill zone. Right. There's a type of trades that this is a market structure shift that I actually prefer. This, not really a fan. Not really a fan of this type of market structure shift. They do work, but not really a fan. But I'm willing to take the trade. I'm willing to take the trade and see how it plays out. I'm willing to take that trade. Let's have an alert. Let's have an alert. And then yeah, if you get triggered on, we're good. Let me check AUD. AUD, I've been actually waiting for a 5-minute market structure shift. I actually want to go sells on AUD. I actually want to take a sell on AUD. GBP AUD, sorry. So if this 5-minute market structure shift can give me the what I want, I would be happy to take a sell. Maybe on the 1 minute. Something. No, and it's too noisy. So if this market structure shift can play out the way I want to, I'll be happy to actually take. I'll actually be happy to take this trade. I realized that the chat is not on the screen. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'd actually prefer that market structure shift. Yeah, I'd actually prefer to see that. Let me take all this that we're not looking at. GBP USD getting more higher prices. GBP USD is getting more higher prices, which makes sense. And then the DXY. And the DXY, what you got on German? You're too late, my brother. KB, you're too late to the party. You're very, very, very late. So that party, you are very late. We had buys. Well, we saw them late. We were just analyzing. But the best way, I said, prices to give us, I hoped this took out Asia low, but prices failed to take out that Asia low. But we have a market structure shift here. We have a 15-minute market structure shift. which is actually fine to take, especially looking at the daily, right? Because it's an uptrend. So yeah, you missed the party. You missed the party. Somebody said AUD, Euro AUD, right? How do I not have Euro AUD? I don't think I've updated my IPTA data. Is this updated? Yeah, this is updated actually. This is very much updated. So I think I had this analysis from the last stream. Somebody asked me about Euro AUD from the last stream, and then this is what I had. As you can see, price on a daily took out 20 days low, and then we dipped into that daily fair value gap, right? Dipped into that daily fair value gap, and then mean threshold of it, and then not mean threshold, consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. And then currently we are dropping. We haven't taken out yesterday's daily candlestick, took out the previous day low, and then currently we're in a discount, right? Currently we're in a discount for Euro AUD. So I'm expecting price actually take out previous day low and then give us more lower prices. So let's take at the maybe 1 hour. Yeah, intraday session. We haven't taken out Asia high or low. We haven't taken out Asia high or low, but looking at the daily candlestick, just reading the daily candlestick, I'm expecting more lower prices on the Euro AUD. That's what I'm expecting. More lower prices on the Euro AUD. So yeah, I think GU is going up to that. Yeah. GU is definitely flying. Definitely. He's saying it's going up to the. It's going up to the. Let's try to highlight your price. Uh, 5692. Yeah. With that buy side liquidity, yeah, price might be going there. Prices might be going there. And looking at the momentum right now, with the help from the DXY losing strength, it's definitely gonna go there, because I'm also expecting more lower prices on the DXY. So with that being said, the GBP plus, we had positive news on the GBP, so it's just definitely gonna give us what we're actually looking for. Chances are it's gonna give us those higher prices. But with the GBP AUD, that market structure shift did, but not the way that I would want to take it. Euro USD, it is not giving us what we want. Right, it's not giving us what we want. Let me switch to the 5-minute, and we're going for that Asia high. So as soon as we take out that Asia high, our fight is over with Euro USD. And those who took the trade, that is nice. But for me, nothing confirmed. I can't take a trade that didn't actually confirm for me. And then as you can see on the market structure shift, we were way too choppy. And then also we have that BC, as you can see, prices, consequent encroachment of it, and then gave us higher prices on that. Right, so that's also a good trade to take from here, but the risk reward would be insane, because if you're taking that from there, obviously you have to put your SL below the low, and then TP is there. No, it's good 1:1, but for me it's not really worth it. I want more discount price, I want more lower price. If we can dip into that, I would be happy, but I don't think we'll be doing that anytime soon. I don't think we'll be doing that anytime soon. gbpAUD. Let's focus on gbpAUD. It's not really giving a cleaner market structure shift, but on the 15-minute, we have this tiny little fair value gap, right? We have that tiny fair value gap. Well, it's not yet confirmed because the candlestick it just opened and it hasn't closed, so I can't really say it's a fair value gap as yet. So yeah, we're just gonna see how that plays out. But I'm actually looking for a sell. But we need a proper confirmation. We're just not gonna jump into a trade that hasn't really confirmed with our trading plan, and then later on you ask yourself why you're not profitable, why you're not consistent in your trading. It should make sense if you're just taking trades that are not confirming with your trading plan. So we're not gonna force any trades. Guys. Let's not force any trades. Even if it does drop, just like the EU, right? Just like the EU, it did take off. We were expecting bullish prices, right? On the EU, we're expecting bullish prices, but did it confirm with my model? With what I'm looking for? No, it didn't. Those who took it probably confirmed with yours, right? Most people don't really need much to take a trade. Market structure shift, and then this is probably enough, you know, because we do have this order block here. If you look closely, we do have this order block, right? So that is enough. That is enough to actually take that buy. It is enough. But is it what I'm looking for? No, that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm not really gonna take a trade that is not even on my trading plan to start with, you know. So yeah, you gotta be consistent enough to actually follow your trading plan. I guess BTC. Yeah. Let me check that. I haven't really traded Bitcoin in a while. As you can see, sell side taken out, and then prices rejecting off of this fair value gap, consequent encroachment. I'm looking at buys. I'm seeing buys on the Bitcoin. We have that buy side there. This is the daily, by the way, don't get confused. So yeah, prices reject off of nicely on that consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Let's just mark it. And then did we get a nice market structure? Excuse me. Did we get a nice market structure shift to the upside? Definitely did get that. There we go. Perfect entry. That is a perfect entry to actually take. Fair value gap, prices dipped into it, and then you buy from there, go long. So yeah, that's what I would say. And then target buy side liquidity, can maybe just have it below that low, and then target could be there. So if I was looking at this maybe from yesterday, this is probably the trade that I would have taken on Bitcoin, you know. ICT trader says he's in a buy from 1661,800. It took a buy from the 61,800. That's dope. Technically, it's the same setup that I literally just went through. Yeah, it's literally the same setup that I just went through. So if you took it from there, I'm guessing this is exactly the same setup that you took. Am I right, ICT? This is probably the same setup that made you want to take a buy from there. EU is just naughty. Yeah, same setup. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That is dope, man. Disrespecting our model full time. Exactly. EU is just, right now, it doesn't care about nobody. EU right now doesn't care about nobody. Nobody. It does not care about nobody. It does not care about nobody. I'm looking at GU on the other screen, right? GA, I mean. On the 5 minute, I'll probably use, because this, I'll use this, because this is a order block. It's a bearish order block, right? So if price can actually go back and tap into that bearish order block, I'll be happy to actually take a sell on GA. Honestly, if price can actually tap into that, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm in it. So I'll just monitor that on my second screen here, and whenever it taps in, definitely be in it. gbpusd retracing. Yeah, looking at how, yeah, buy side, but we'll just see. I have a feeling like this is just, you know, because I'm looking at the dollar index also. The reason why it's retracing, because of the dollar index, it's also giving us a little higher prices. But as soon as this starts dropping, there's no stopping. There is no stopping for GA, for GU, I mean. So yeah, that is that. So just gonna keep a close eye on this bad boy right here. Gonna keep a close eye on this bad boy too. Still got eye on that trade. Still have an eye on that trade. We can actually drop into it. No, taking it. If not, I'm not looking at looking at GU and EU. GU is a stronger one, and then EU is a weaker one, which means the best one to buy is GU, right? But the fact that GU is already up there and already taking out Asia high just kind of gives me the, you know. GPSD retracement. If retrace till for 50% and change in 1 minute market model, it's a possible to buy. Let's look at it, right? You're saying it's retrace, if it retraces 50% of that movement, right? If it retraces 50% of this movement and then gives a market structure shift to buy, I guess you can. But for me to want to trade this, I'd want to take a trade anywhere between the 71 and the 79. And reason why being, because we also have this order block right there, right? We also have that order block right there. So if GU can actually tap into this 71 and 79, which is give us the OTE setup, which will be giving us the OTE setup, I would be able to actually buy it off from there. Buy it from here, it's kind of giving me the, but if you can tap into that deep discount, definitely gonna buy it, and the risk would be very low. You can just have your SL below there, and then you can even just target this high if you want to, right? You can just target that high. So yeah, but I'm saying retracement to give us a possible to buy. Yeah. So this is how I would want to trade the GU if I want to trade right now. So if GU is retracing like this, EU should be doing the same. Prices, look at how it's retracing off of that bullish order block. And this is also the reason why I want this fair value gap, because we're in a OTE, optimum trading entry, deep discount. If price can reject off of that too, I'll be happy to take a buy. So that's why I'm keeping my eye on that. Not any one. I don't care about all these ones. I want that one. Deep discount. I'll be back in a few minutes. 2 seconds. Ali, your analysis are very clean. Thanks a lot. Thank you, man. You're welcome. I appreciate that. Thank you. Did any more of you guys request to let me just check that real quick. The non-new viewers. Okay. I'm looking at GA. Prices is going into our order block. If we burn, we burn. Make sure you use risk management, because if you don't, you will burn very bad. If you don't, you will burn very bad. What the hell? This is the first trade of the stream. Make sure you use a proper risk management, guys. I don't want you to be crying saying Alan said I must sell and buy that, and now my account is blown. I failed my challenge. Mina ngizingini, guys. Ngizingini. Oh my days. I'm short on USDT. Is that okay? Well, let's look at USDT right now. Let's look at USDT. Ooh, where did you sell? I want to know where you sold and why you sold. I want to know why. Send me a chart, please. Send me a chart. Who sold? Cool dip. Please, I want to know why you sold. I'm curious. I want to know why you sold. You can just send me a chart if you can on Telegram. If you can send me your, let me try to pin my link, Telegram channel. Yeah. Hey, no. You can just send it there. And I'm curious on why you sold. Yeah, if you say you sold, I want to know why, because I wouldn't sell anyway. I wouldn't sell this thing at all. You're going against the trend and you might burn. But if you have something that actually made you want to sell, maybe a 1 minute market structure shift, please let me know or send me the chart, and yeah, we'll just check it. Nima, hahaha. Okay, yeah, probably missed that. I probably missed it. It's probably too late. But yeah, I'm already on buy on German 40. Oh, that's dope, man. That's dope. Wait for 5 minute market structure shift. I'm only reading your chats too late, guys, so I'm not sure if you were talking about which pair you're talking about. Which pair you're talking about. I'm guessing ICT talking about gbpusd. You wait for a 5 minute market structure shift. I'm guessing you're actually talking about gbpusd. I'm just assuming. Even though I wanted lower prices first. Yeah. German is, yeah, like if you're in a buy, in a good trade, if you're in a buy, then that's dope. EU touched the one minute order block, and now it's going for the relatively equal highs above. Yeah, like I highlighted, 1 minute order block. It could play off of that, and it's in a discount though. It was in a discount, right? Yeah, it's below discount, but that's not what I wanted. It was a good trade to take, but I'm not gonna take that. I am not gonna take that. I want deeper discount. I want the OTE. Since it played off without me, I wanted the OTE. It's either that or nothing. I still get to keep my capital. We're good. We're good. We're good. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Nima, let's go. GA. Too early to celebrate, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. GA playing out as we expected, but we didn't get tapped in. Those who are tapped in, that's dope. That is dope. Hope you guys can send me your chat on Telegram. SMT in GA. GA with EA, right? Yeah, we do have a SMT. We do. EA failed to take out Asia high, while GA is already there. It's already up there. So yeah, I can see the SMT. I can see the SMT. The SMT. So in this case, GA is a stronger one. EA is the weaker one. So the best one to sell is this bad boy here. The best one to sell is this bad boy. Get an entry on this bad boy and sell, but we are stubborn, so we're gonna sell GA, the stronger one. We're gonna fight the stronger one. We don't want the weaker ones right now. Maybe next stream. So yeah, I can see the SMT tumble. I see the SMT you are talking about. Sent on Telegram. Okay. Trust me, I want. We are here to learn. 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 Should I share your chat? Should I share your chat and then we discuss your chat? I'm not trying to make fun of you. We are here to learn, right? I want to learn something from you too. You know, when I say send chat, I'm not looking forward to make fun of everybody. No, I'm here to learn. Maybe I might learn something, you know. So, Codeb, is it fine if I share your chat on the stream? Sure. Okay, good. That's dope. There you go. So US30, you said you took a sell for H4 resistance. What was your confirmation? If you're using that H4, right? You're using a H4 as a resistance. Was that like enough confirmation for you to actually take a sell? And I'm guessing your target will probably be somewhere around there, just going short term. Is it a swing trade? Cold dip, is it a swing trade or just a quick scalp? Because since you're looking at the H4, I'm guessing it's a little bit swing, probably willing to hold for the next until New York, until market close probably. But we're also in this order block here, so if that is extended, you know, prices might reject off of that. But looking at the overall trend, the more bullish might be Oh, it's a swing. Okay, yeah, good. I'm guessing you have a wider SL, and then also have that order block there. We have this CB here, fair value gap, and also have that CB there, fair value gap, with the market structure shift, right? So yeah, that's where I would like to see prices reject from that. But looking at the fact that we're just closer to that buy side liquidity there, prices can easily just go take them out and then maybe go lower. But you can also reject off of that and then give us a little bit more lower prices, and then maybe come into this market structure shift here and then maybe reject off of that. So that can happen, but for me to sell this, I would need more confluence. I need something. I need more market structure shifts. I need to see more CBs, you know, bearish order blocks for me to be comfortable. Maybe at least from the 15 minutes going down, I need to see that, you know, maybe even the 1 hour, you know. If I can see more market structure shift on those time frames, I'll be comfortable to actually take a sell. But yeah. So yeah, even though you're going against the trend, you should keep that in mind. You're going against the trend, so even if it's a losing trend, you should also keep that in mind, that you're going against the trend, right? And then if it plays out, that's dope. You should also still note that. So yeah, man. Yeah. Alex, so you send the chart too. Inside the oh, nice. You took, was it the trade that you took? You said we are inside of we're inside of a weekly fair value gap. Yeah, I can see. What time frame is this? This is a 5 minute, and then prices rejected off of this market structure shift here, or you can just use the order block. And then this was a nice 5 minute entry, to be honest. I would have just went straight from here because we took out sell side, and then yeah, prices reject off of that, and then TP hit to take out buy side liquidity. And yeah, let's see how we're actually doing. Let me see what that looks like on my chart. You said we're currently in a weekly fair value gap. Oh yeah. Currently in a weekly fair value gap. We're currently in a weekly fair value gap. So I'm guessing that's where you, yeah, dope stuff, man. Dope. That's where you took the trade. I can see it. Is it? No. We're on a 5 minute chart. Sheesh. Yeah. Currently, was that a 5 minute chart? Yeah. So yeah, this was actually a good trade, right? It was a good trade, but I would actually I would prefer it. If I was looking at this, I would probably be looking at that consequent encroachment, which we almost tapped into it. Almost, but I would have wanted that price actually tap into it. But if I switch to the 4 hour, and then we got a market structure shift. Did you get a market structure shift on the 4 hour? Nope. We're currently creating one right now. So as well, probably it's still a buy, still bullish though. So still bullish. If you can close there and then price come back and retest, still can buy. You still can buy, even switch to a 15 minute, you know. overall, this is still a clean bullish trade to actually take. So if you're in a trade and you're holding, might as well just hold it. We have that buy side liquidity up there, you know, just target that. Just target that buy side liquidity up there. So yeah, just keep holding that if you're in a trade. I'm not sure if you're in a trade or not still, or that was just a quick in and out. But yeah, check GA in H4 SMT. Okay, I'll do that. I was waiting H4, but the market doesn't give me that. Yeah, but yeah, I can just currently, you know, might actually just wait until that market structure shift gives you. This can probably be your trade, right? And then if price close above, and then, well, you still have to wait for that market structure shift to actually confirm. And then, yeah, if it does give you, your entry can be like somewhere like this, low, or you can just use this low. You can still use this low as a SR, but to be safe, put it below there, and then target buy side liquidity. So this is, even if you put it here, it's still a good trade to take. Still a good trade to take. So yeah, there's a confirmation that I would say you might want to get. So just be patient. Just be patient and wait for that. And then if it plays out, that's dope. If it doesn't, move on to the next chart or wait for another setup, right? It's not the end of the world, but the market, yeah. So you said GA. SMT. Kiran. Wagwan, brother. Wagwan. Did you do GCAD? No. Of course not. I haven't done GCAD already. I'm doing GBP. We're currently in a GA trade. IC trader said H4 SMT on GA. What is that CB? Is that the daily CB? Okay, it's probably like a 1 hour CB. Yeah, it's a 1 hour CB. You said H4 SMT, right? Let me see. Today we got some CAD news. We got some CAD news going crazy. So we should also. What are you expecting on CAD? You see, there's a thing of trading high impact news, man. I don't know what's happening right now. But looking at that, I can't even. Okay, let me just do this. Let me try to do this. GA. Yeah, I can see the SMT. Oh yeah, I can see the SMT on both of them. GA failed to take out this low here, and then while Euro AUD, goddamn, Euro AUD failed to take out the low, while GBP AUD did take that low. So yeah, I can see that SMT that you actually we're talking about. Yeah, which means Euro AUD is a stronger one, GBP AUD is the weaker one. So in other words, we're actually safe to look for sells on the GBP AUD than the Euro AUD, right? But the fact that we already took out sell side, this might be a bullish sign. We might be getting more higher prices, right? Overall, long-term trading, we might be looking for higher prices, but yeah, said that you're already in sells on the GA, right? But we're just gonna see, just targeting the Asia low. If that actually plays out, that's really nice. Kieran, he said, did I check? I haven't really. Let me just do that real quickly. GBP CAD. I don't trade GBP CAD, and I don't think anybody requested for GBP CAD anyway. I don't think anybody requested for GBP CAD. Man, I'm looking at the daily, and this thing is way too noisy. I don't want to lie. I'm looking at the daily, and it's just too noisy. Okay. Daily market structure shift. You can see that CB prices rejected off of it, manipulated lower into the order block, and price is still closed into that BC. So we might be looking at bullish. We might get higher prices during the New York, right? I have a feeling that on this we might get higher prices during New York, especially after the news release. Because we got all of this. Prices kept dipping in, went up, dipped in, came back again, dipped in into the order block. And yeah, let me switch to the H4 to see what we really have. Yeah, this is looking noisy to me, man. I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't even know what I can expect from this pair right now. It's too choppy for me. I can see a lot of wicks. A lot of wicks. 1 hour. That's not even a market structure shift. These are equal highs. Am I correct? High 171356 73. Yeah, these are literally equal highs. So GBP CAD, what are you actually expecting? Higher prices? I'm like, it's safe to say it's safe to look for higher prices, I would say, if that's what you're looking for. Higher prices on GA. All right, sweet. Waiting for that H1 BC. Yeah, if this can confirm, which is in the next 5 minutes, which we should get that BC, and then wait for price to actually rebalance, and then yeah, equal highs and CAD news today. Yep, I'm guessing you do wanna buy. Take out all these highs. Wanna take all those highs, but we'll see. So as Tess to say, looking for buys here, it's safe. And in the next 5 minutes, 4 minutes, we'll be confirming this BC, and then if we can rebalance it, yeah, might look yummy for New York, but we'll see. We will see. Euro USD ICT Pro. I have Mohammed. What do you mean by that? So many SMT, man. Probably avoid it. ICT trader. Avoid what? GBP CAD. Or you're talking about the Euro AUD, and I'm guessing you're talking about the Euro AUD and the GBP AUD. I'm guessing that's what you're referring to. Are we almost to fish GU? What do you mean? Are we almost to fish? Let's see. GU didn't even tap into the 50%, just hovering there. But if you can drop lower, yeah. But I'm just gonna tape read this. I'm not gonna take a trade on this. I'm not gonna take a trade on the GBP USD. Just gonna tape read it. And then the Euro USD, well, we haven't taken out Asia high, even though the setup that we wanted hasn't yet played out. Right, the ones that I wanted, we did reject off of this bullish order block here, and then we have that CB there, I mean that BC there. Right, we did reject off of that, but I wanted the OTE setup. Once that OTE setup, which I don't think we'll be getting anytime soon. And then as soon as we take out that Asia high, I am done with the Eurusd for London session. I'll come back New York. And yeah, 1 hour left, almost an hour left for the Killzone to end, the London Killzone to end. So we're just gonna see how that plays out. Just gonna see. And then German, those who are in buys, KB, if you are in buys, ooh, nice. That was actually a clean buy to take on the German, especially considering the fact that we are on a daily. The daily gave out, and there's a reason why I was just bullish, even from yesterday, right? Even from yesterday. It's a clean, where's the market shift? It was a clean buy. I was actually looking at the same exact thing yesterday. As you can see, during London, we did get this microstructure shift, and we even rebalanced that microstructure shift. Right, we came to tap into it. Microstructure shift, we came to tap into it. Prices just took off. Same thing today, same exact thing today. Same exact thing. Microstructure shift with a BC, and then prices just took off. Literally just took off. So this was a good pair instrument to actually look at this week, because if you can look at the daily, we've been bullish since last week, literally last week. So if you were just buying, even if you were just blindly buying every single day, you would have been in profit. From Monday, bullish. Tuesday, bullish. Wednesday, bullish. Thursday, bullish. Friday also today, we're bullish. So even if you were just blindly buying the German, you would be in profit every single day, just blindly buying without no confirmation, no nothing, just going on a buy. You would literally just make profits. That's how simple the trade was to actually take. Literally. So yeah, Euro USD, what are we looking at? And then I can see GBP AUD is yeah, it's finally giving us some pips, finally giving us something to work with, you know. It's finally giving us something to work with. It's finally giving us some to work with. Also guys, don't forget to like the stream, don't forget to subscribe. I don't know how many of y'all are watching right now. We got 17 people watching. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this stream. I'd very much appreciate it. We got 16 likes, that's dope. 17 likes, 17 people watching. I like that, I like that, I like that, I like that. Oh really? What else? What else? Why you guys are you actually looking at this London session? I know you put on some suggestions then. Who was in a trade? USDT, right? USDT. USDT sell. I hope you're still surviving. I hope to see some microstructure shift there. Hope to see some microstructure shift to the downside. Because already creating higher highs. Let's see S&P. I haven't really checked S&P in a while. Where are we going? S&P. Have buy sides there. Have all those highs there. Have that high there. Do you think we're getting that Q? Now you're still here. Do you think we're getting that TGIF today? TGIF. You think it's safe to depend on TGIF for sales today? Do you think it's safe to say I want that TGIF? Like the stream, guys. Spam that like button. It does cool stuff when you click it. Yeah. Some cool stuff happens when you actually click that like button. Let's keep doing it. Let's keep doing that. So yeah, it's safe to expect some TGIF today on the indices because we've been bullish the whole week. Man. Nice, finally took out that buy side liquidity. Let's go. Finally took out that buy side, and then now we might be going for that Asia low, right? Might be going for that Asia low. Let's see if we got a microstructure shift on a smaller time frame to see if we were just focusing on NAS. What do you have got? Technically you did. There's that microstructure shift there with the fair value gap, right? And then what you do, and then you just sell it off. Just sell it off from there, and just keep holding it of another microstructure shift which hasn't yet confirmed. A lot of microstructure shift that hasn't yet confirmed, so doesn't yet rebalance, not confirmed, rebalanced the fair value gaps. So yeah, if NAS can actually take out Asia low, might be onto something. And then gold. Oof. Gold. We're currently in a H4 CB. Let me highlight my consequent encroachment, and then yeah, if price can tap into that consequent encroachment, 15-minute microstructure shift, I might be looking at that during the New York session. Not right now though. I think I still need some more price action to happen in this give us more market structure shifts. You know, that'll allow me to just sell it from there and just, you know, yeah, because we've been bullish since New York session yesterday. So I need to see that some of that TGIF too. Gotta see some of that TGIF, you know, before the week ends. Gotta see some of that, but we'll just see how that actually plays out. New York session. I'm gonna save gold for New York session. I'm gonna save you for New York session. And then gbpjpy. Seems like all the GBP pairs are falling now. GBP USD finally tapped below the 50%. It actually finally tapped below that 50% zone, so tapped into the discount price. But I'd like to see it come here. And if that's happening, what's happening with the EURUSD? Well, EURUSD doesn't really give a fuck. I also want to see the DXO actually give us more lower prices. You're eyeing GBP. Oh yeah, you actually wanted to take that buy, innit? You wanna looking for buy GBP. Okay. I see most of y'all are actually eyeing this trade here, which is good. So that's the trade that we should look at. Wait. There's a trade we should look at. So we're just gonna keep an eye on this. Looking for buy at 2,200. Yeah, which is technically from here to long. Yeah, it's not a bad trade. Same thing. Same. Same, but different. Yeah, same. Same. Yeah, so this is the trade that we're actually all waiting for, I guess. Is a trade that we all waiting for. Is the same trade that we're all waiting for, though. So yeah, that's the trade that we're all waiting for. So let's wait and see how it actually plays out. And then with that Eurusd, I don't think that Eurusd would confirm or actually give us what we actually need. With the way it's actually been acting and the fact that we are like 40 minutes away from our kill zone. I think we should just throw a towel on this one and call it a and be like, "Aye, it is what it is." How many pips was this actually? Let's just say from this order block. That was like 7 pips. Yeah, 7 pips. That was like 7 pips. And indices, are they German? German is still flying. US 30. Shit. Yeah, damn. Now should even be worse. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nas should give us, if we can take out that Asia low, would actually give us something to actually work with during the New York session. Maybe if we can take out that low, might give us something to work with during the New York session. And then the S&P, same thing. Looks like this S&P is a strong one. Yeah. Seems like the S&P is a strong one. Yeah. How long have you guys been trading for? Just comment with your how long you've been trading for. How long you've been trading for, if you all don't mind sharing that with your boy. How long you all been trading for? Nelson, 3 years. Good stuff. Alex, 2 years. No. 20-something years. Man. Hearing, man. Yeah. Been in this industry, man, for far too long. You'd have masters in this thing. Masters. PhD, not even a master. PhDs. Actually. Is it a PhD? How long is a PhD for? How long can you acquire a PhD? 5 months, brand new. Yeah. That's still brand new. Very fresh off the shop. 5 months. Fresh off the shop. That's even longer than I've been trading ICT. 7 years. Oof. That's technically, yeah. That's technically what we're approaching. 7 years. Might be next year. 7 years might be next year. Yeah. GA. Yeah, I'm looking at it actually. It's falling. GA is actually falling. Let me just put it on the. Yeah. But I'm not happy until we get at least halfway, or at least after we take out this sell side. I'll be happy. I'll start taking partials and locking profits. Once we take out that sell side, I'll start taking partials and locking profits. But yeah, guys, come on. How long have you guys been trading? It's only, how many people commented? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. That's 3 PhDs. It's crazy. Yeah, man. Most of us have been in this game for too long. Been in this game for too long. But because we're doing everything ourselves, we're doing everything ourselves, we're learning from ourselves, no mentors. We have to make the mistakes ourselves, learning the hard way, not consistent, not following your trading plan, not journaling, not back testing, being stubborn, trading when you shouldn't be trading, blowing accounts left to right, making the same mistakes over and over again, and you're acknowledging them, but you're not changing anything. Kind of tend to expand your trading journey. So yeah, come on guys, there's how many people gambling on Fridays, exactly, taking all our profits that we made during the whole the whole taking trades, losing your whole profit that you made during the week on Friday because it's NFP. Yeah, and also no day offs, man. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah. The secret. If you wanna know the secret to consistency, backtesting. I feel like it's easy to be consistent with if you know exactly what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, how can you be consistent on something you don't even know what you're doing? Come on, guys. 19 people and only 4 people commented on the trading journey. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people commenting. I want to know how long y'all been trading. I want to get to know y'all. As myself, I think you already know how long I've been trading, right? Do you guys know how long I've been trading? I think you guys know. I haven't said it. Most of y'all are now coming from the 5%ers interview. I said it there. But I think y'all should know how long I've been trading. So, guys, come on. 19 of y'all are watching. Let's comment. Let's comment. How long have you guys been trading? How long has it been? Don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed. We're in this together. We are in this together. 2 years. Idu, 2 years. Okay. Rich Steve, first year. Joel, 7 year, making bullshit tilted. That is crazy. Come on, but at least you learn something, right? In this, all those 7 years, there's something that you can, you know. There's more. There's things that you actually learned in those 7 years, I would say. So, yeah. Link to the interview, only found you yesterday. I did 2 interviews with the 5%ers. I actually did 2. So just let me just make it easy for you since you are looking for it, and not just send you on a wild goose chase. I don't want to send you on a wild goose chase. So let me just send the links and make it simple for you. I'll send the first one and the second one. Where are they? Wait, what? I can see one. Well, I can only see one. I can't see the first one. I honestly can't see the first one. But that's the first one. I mean, that's the second one. The one that I just said now is the second one. I don't remember the first one though. I don't remember the first one, to be honest. I don't remember the first one. I wouldn't be surprised if it's deleted, but I don't think they delete them. Is it this one? Let me show it here. I'm not quite sure which one it is. I have a feeling it's the. It was a Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, there's the first one. So there's the first one. There's the first one, and then there's the second one that I joined with them. With the 5%ers. There they are in the chats. How you became interviewed to the 5%ers? Well, the reason why they call me for an interview is because I actually won the 250 bootcamp, and I managed to pass. Only a few people who actually managed to pass it. Only a few who are actually passing the giveaways, bootcamps. And yeah, I was the first one to be okay with the interview of the passing. So that's why I was interviewed by them. That is why. How many prop firms are you trading with? Ooh. Quite a few. I can say 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Most of them, I even left them because they don't want to give me my money, payouts. Yeah. Can safely say, yeah, 3, 4, somewhere there. Nah, lie. Kidding, shut up. What's wrong with you? But yeah, most of them, well, one actually, not most of them, one hasn't paid money. And then yeah, let me see. This is that. Which ones refuse to give me money? Defunded is the one that is refusing to give money. It's defunded or defunded. They have a weird withdrawal system where they have to review your account, which will probably take more than a month or so. So you don't want to be. How many are you currently funded with and trading actively? None of your business, kidding. Must relax. I have 100. I hope Funded Next is not one of them. No. I don't even have one with Funded Next. I should actually try it. With Funded Next. I should try with Funded Next. But yeah, I haven't tried with them. Yeah, I will try with them. Don't buy the funded trader. Hey, which one is the funded trader? Is this the funded trader? I've had one before. I've actually had one before. Of this, I think I've traded with them before, and then they were closed. They were closed also, and then they opened again. They almost got shut down too, and then they got back. And yeah, I don't think I'm interested in going to this guys. And they don't even use MT5 anymore, are they? They don't use MetaTrader anymore. And I know that they are American. Are they Americans? And so I try as much to stay away from American prop firms, unless it's futures. If it's not futures, contact us. Are they futures? I mean, are they Americans? Yeah, I try as much to stay away from them. So the only American prop firms that I would try is with futures, which is Top Step. Yeah, definitely. I'm doing a challenge with the funding pips and I'm struggling in drawdown. Begazela, my bro. Be disciplined, follow your trading plan. You'll be fine. Follow your trading plan. Don't risk more than you should. So yeah, follow your trading plan. They don't pay out, man. Where's my money? I'm guessing you already tried to make a payment and they haven't paid you yet. Have you tried funding pips? I haven't tried funding pips too. I haven't tried funding pips. I tried a lot of weird, shady prop firms, and then I have to learn the hard way. I also once tried my Forex Funds. Is it my Forex Funds? The one that got closed down. I closed down with the account there too with them, which is sad. Alan, I'm in 5% as challenge and I'm up 1%. Should I risk 2% per trade? Nope. Do not do it. Don't do it. 1% per trade until you pass it. Don't risk more than 1% per trade. Risk for 1%, aim to make 2%. 1% for 2% or for 3%. You'll be fine, you'll pass it. Don't risk 2% just because you're up 1%. There's a problem. That's what will actually make you blow your account. So don't do it. 1% per trade. Don't go more than that. The bootcamp you won was with 3 steps. Bootcamp is 3 steps, yeah. The bootcamp is 3 steps. With the 5%ers is 3 steps. I say you should wait. Nima. Oh, guessing you're just responding to risking 1% now, but it'll take a month to pass this challenge because I only take 1 trade a day. It's fine. It's fine. If you're in a hurry, don't be in a hurry. It's fine, even if it takes you a month. But whatever amount you are risking, 1%, man. That's 1 trade a day. That's enough. That's enough. Because it's a high stake, right? If it's a high stake, meaning your first target is 8%, right? And then if you take 1 trade every day, and for a week, you can literally, let's just say, out of 5 days, out of 5 trades, you win 3, right? And you're risking 1:2, right? You're risking 1:2, and then out of 5, there's 3 winning trades and 2 losing trades. So out of that, you're down 2% and then up how many percent, which is like 246, and then minus that per week, you're up 4%. Try again next week, same thing, and then you pass the challenge. So Kiran, I'll slap you. Why are you not? Kiran, I'll slap you. I swear to God, I'll slap you. I'll reach into the comments and slap you. But yeah, just don't. Why are you in a hurry? Must relax. Done. Your risk reward is 1. So you're aiming, you're risking, if you're risking, wait, so you're saying you're risking 1%. So in this case, you are, I don't understand, 1 to a half. Are you risking more than you're making? Are you risking more than you're making, or the other way around? It's a good code, Kiran. No, it's not. It doesn't even make sense. With that, then your win rate should be 90%. Yeah. So yeah, man, just don't risk more than you should. Yes, risking more than I'm earning. Donvo way. Yeah. He's doing the Donvo way. Well, in that case, man, I don't know. Just now you're gonna risk 2%. It's even crazy. Now that you are risking 2% or even way more crazy. So just stick to 1%, man. What is your take profits? Asia low. Profits is Asia low. That's what we are targeting. Asia low. We're targeting Asia low. We're targeting Asia low. James, we're targeting Asia low. So yeah, man. If you are risking more, if you have a negative risk ratio, then it's cool. But increasing your risk, just do nothing but increasing. Because what's your maximum daily? Maximum daily is what, 5%, and then maximum loss is 10%. So it'll only take you 5 trades to blow the whole thing. And if you take 3 a day, you're out just like that. So just stick to 1%, man. Stick to 1%. If it's not working out, something you're doing wrong. Cool. What do you think will take any profits before? What? What'd you say? Do you think you will take any profits before take? Oh yeah. I will. I will take partials, not everything. As soon as we take out this sell side liquidity here, I'm gonna take 50% off. As soon as we hit this this sell side liquidity here, I'm gonna take out 50% off the trades and then leave the rest running to TP and then lock profits from there. So yeah. Visual Feast, welcome back to the stream, bro. How's it going? Like, will you take any positions off before? Yeah. I think I already answered that. So yeah, I will take some positions off before Asia low is taken. So yeah, partials is profits. Let's go. Partial is profits. Words of the day. Word of the day. Partials is wow. Partials is profit. Let's make it blue. Is blue attractive? Okay, nah, let's make it this one. Partials is profit. Which instrument? You guys can see it's literally in the watermark. GBPAUD. It's here. GBPAUD. It's there on top. It's GBPAUD. I thought the watermark was clear enough, guys. I thought it was clear enough. It's GBPAUD. Yeah. We got GBPAUD. Yeah. What is your win rate this year? I haven't really calculated every single trade that I've taken. It's gonna take me a while if I have to do that, James. It's gonna take me a while to actually calculate all my win rates this year so far. So yeah, to answer your question, I have no idea. But all I know is that been profitable this year so far. So yeah, of course, yeah. I mean, like, come on, I am managed to pass bootcamp 3 steps, managed to pass other prop firms 5% high stakes to also managed to pass what's this thing, a futures do I even, where's the certificate? Managed to pass a top step 2. Where are you? Oh yeah, there you are. Managed to pass it. So yeah, man, passed a lot of challenges this year already. So to answer your question, yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, there's the futures with Top Step, which I passed it in March and got funded with Top Step. So yeah, which I actually never thought that I would actually pass a Top Step futures prop firm, because I never really understood, like, you know, this thing is just, it's different from Forex. This is different from trading Forex. The futures markets are just different from trading Forex. So yeah, man. Why does this thing keep doing this? Why do you keep doing this? Why? Okay, see. Hi, bro. How do you position sizing for 1%? I use a position sizer, the one that I've been sharing almost every stream. Position sizer, that's what I use. All you gotta set it is 1% risk, and then you can just adjust your SL the way you want, and it'll adjust your lot size too. So whatever trade you take, you won't risk more than 1%. It doesn't matter where you put your SL. I'm currently doing a 5k funded, risking 0.5% per trade. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. Especially if you're funded. I said, this is what I recommend you do during the challenge. You can risk 1%. Once you get funded, cut your losses into half. So risk half of 1%. So James, you are in the right, moving in the right pace there with the funded account. Pass first step 5%, but second step has proved to be difficult. No, not really. They literally cut the risk into half. I mean, the target into half, and the risk still stays the same. So technically, it's much simpler because target is half. It cuts from 8% to 4%. So you're just thinking about it too much. You just in a hurry to pass it. That's why. You're just in a hurry to pass it. You're probably, I hope you're not over risking. You're doing the exact same thing you were doing on the first phase, right? If you're risking 1%, keep risking 1% on the second phase. You don't have to over risk. You don't have to do anything different at all. Euro USD took out Asia high. So yeah, Euro USD did take out Asia high. Unfortunately, we were not in the trade, but it is what it is. So yeah, that is it on the Euro USD. We're just gonna clean all of that. And I hope there's some people who actually took Euro USD buy. That people who actually took Euro USD buy. So I hope y'all are fine there. I hope y'all are happy there. I hope y'all are logging your trades for the day, for the session, unless you have a different target. Unless you had a different target. This one is just flying to the roof. S&P and NAS are also rejecting, giving us higher prices. US 30 also rejecting, going for higher prices. Gold, we're still waiting for that 15-minute microstructure shift, but I'm not gonna touch it until New York session. So I just want to see all this price action happening down up there, and then yeah, if I don't know what pips are, where do I start learning Forex? YouTube. Just search YouTube. Go to Baby Pips. If you don't know how to trade, what a pip is, search how to trade Forex. Right? How to trade Forex. If you want a mentor, get a mentor that'll teach you that, which is the best way. I recommend you get a mentor. But if you can't, search what is a pip, how to trade Forex, what is a candlestick, Baby Pips. It'll give you everything you need. Kirian. Yeah. You guys haven't requested any. I'm gonna the stream. I'll probably end the stream around maybe half 5, right? Half 5 after the London Killzone. But we'll see as it goes. We'll see. We will see. What am I looking for? Let me accept your request, sir. Let me accept your request. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Yes, sorry to keep you waiting. Yeah, so this is just too noisy, to not giving us. We want some action. Hit our SL, hit our TP, do something, do something. I don't care what it does, just do something. Don't keep us waiting. Let's check out other GBP NZD. I don't think I updated my EBITDA data on this pair. Yes, I did not update my IPTA data on this, so we can do that. We can do that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 60 days look back, and then we got 20 days look forward. I think I saw somebody, I think I was on the live stream of with the 5%ers. I'm like, I understand some people use the IPTA data different. It was like the deep IPTA data changes every day. Do your research. I didn't even reply to him. Like, how do you change your IPTA data? I'm like, I know, yeah, it's, you know, it can be used like that, but that sounds like a lot of work. Like, oh, why? Every day? I'd understand every week. Every day. How do you even manually do that? How do you change your IPTA data every day? It's insane. What am I doing? What am I actually doing? What am I actually doing? Month 5 of core content show, it doesn't change every day. That man, I was like, do your research, it changes every day. And I was like, man, you know what, I don't have the energy for that. If it changes every day for you, change it every day. He's probably using an indicator, and then, you know, an indicator updates literally every single pip, every single candlestick, every single daily candlestick. It updates, it literally just shifts. So crazy. But anyway, we opened right there. So the 20 high is literally the open. Crazy. And we took out 20 days high, dropped below, and then took out 20 days low, and then failed to take out 20 days 40 days low right there, and then still also have 60 days low untouched. And then we're currently in a bearish order block right there. A bearish order block, unprofitable individuals. Hey, what can we say? What can we say? Let them do them, and then we will do us. So how do it work? Like, draw on liquidity? Yeah, just identify your 20 days look back, 40 days look back, 60 days look back, and then you're just gonna identify the high. This is not the 20 days high, sorry, that's the 20 days high. Identify your 20 days high in between that range. Identify your 20 days low in between that range. Identify your 40 days high between that range, 40 days low between that range, so and so. And yeah, still think that GA short is still on. I mean, like, we're still on the trade, still on the trade. I don't know how it is going right now. Well, it's rejecting. Seems like all the GBP pairs are going up, but we're still in the trade. Still in a trade. My price can reject off of this. This is a market structure shape, 5 minutes CB, you know, rebalanced. Might reach off of that and then give us higher prices, which will definitely hit our SL or not. We don't know. And also one, okay, yeah, now I'm seeing a lot. I'm seeing a lot of things happening. 1 hour, Beverly Gap rebalanced, rejecting off of that. Let's see the H4. Well, yeah, H4 is saying fuck you, I'm going up. And then the daily, we're in that daily order block. And yeah, I'm just gonna see if it hits SL, it hits SL. If it hits SL, it hits SL. It hits reverses and hits our TP, then that's it. Don't have to think much about it. Don't have to think about it too much. You do not have to think about it too much. It is that simple. If it hits SL, it hits SL. If it hits TP, it hits TP. James GA pumping a little bit. Yeah. It is doing that. It is doing that. Okay. It is doing that. So we'll wait and see. Because I think I got a lot. I want a small Fabi print. Why am I reading this out loud? Crazy. Now I'm used to reading chats out loud. Now I'm reading my messages out loud. Should I start calling you guys chat? Oh, it's too early. What's up, chat? Wild times. I highly doubt that I'll be trading the New York session, to be honest. I highly doubt I'll be trading the New York session. No emotion, just waiting for TP or SL. Yeah. Hit our SL. Call it a week. You know, I don't have to trade even the London New York session. I don't think I'll even trade the New York session, to be honest. I might be looking at the NAS. I mean, gold or NAS or gold. We're hoping to get the TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. I'll probably just waiting for a setup for that. And I'm definitely gonna risk half, maybe even a quarter of what I normally risk if I trade the New York session, right? Because for me, it has been a good week, to be honest. It has been break even most of the time, breaking even, but at least I'm in blues, so I don't wanna take all that profit back on the last day. You don't wanna be taking profits that you made the whole week on your last day. You don't want to ruin your weekend. So yeah, make sure you don't overtrade. So I'm guessing all the GBP pairs are gaining momentum. gbpusd failed to give us that OTE setup. gbpjpy is also getting higher prices. I'm guessing it has something to do with the Aussie. As I can see, it's actually losing some strength. Aussie is actually losing some strength, and then that will mean Euro AUD is also flying. Oh yeah, Euro AUD is also flying. It is also flying, but yeah. Can you explain SMT divergence between GBP USD and DXY? Do you look at the SMT divergence? Because when I look at SMT divergence, I look at Euro USD. You have to look at the correlating pairs. Correlation pairs GBP USD and GBP Euro USD, right? Because if you're looking at the SMT here, it has to be vice versa, right? It has to be vice versa, because if if the dollar is taking out lows, the GBP should take out highs, right? Yeah, as you can see there. As you can see, I can't split my subscription. I cancel my subscription. Well, it ended. I haven't renewed it. I didn't renew it. It was a monthly subscription, so I didn't renew it yet. So if GBP took out buy side here, means you should expect the DXY to take out sell side. So the best way for me to actually do the SMT is to do with the GBP USD with the Euro USD. As you can see here, the Euro USD did take out that buy side liquidity there, and GBP USD also did take out buy side liquidity, but we're currently above. No, we're currently getting more higher prices than the Euro USD, you know. Now let's go to a daily time frame if you have any SMTs on a higher time frame. All right, and then as you can see on a higher time frame, Euro GBP USD made some lows. It actually made some lows. It took out 26 April. It took out this day's low, 26th of April low. Wow. Euro USD, did it take out that low? 26th. Well, took it a little bit early, innit? That is crazy. So yeah, the low, it took out a little bit early, while GBP USD only yesterday, that's when it took out that candle's candle low, that candlestick's low, and then this one here failed to take out that low, but yesterday's candlestick took out that that low. So that's how I use the SMT divergent between the correlated pairs, and then this I just use it as like an indicator. You know, they should be inversely correlated. It's inversely correlated to dollar index, is inversely correlated to Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you are seeing lower prices on the DXY, you should expect Euro USD and GBP USD to give you higher prices, and if you are expecting or seeing higher prices on the DXY, you should be expecting lower prices on this too, right? And not just this two, there's other dollar correlated pairs that you can actually use the dollar index as an indicator, you know. So yeah. You can still add the second screen underneath by clicking on top. Yeah, I know I can just do this. Where's my second screen? It just seems like a lot of work. I know I can just do this. and add why is my screen on that? And now I can just do this, yeah. And I can just do this. I know I can just do this. Let's look at the correlation to GBP correlated pair, which is the this is the Euro AUD. Right, and then looking at the Euro AUD on a 15-minute, on a let me switch to a 15-minute chart this side too. And then as you can see on the 15 minutes, right, on the 15-minute chart, prices on the Euro AUD hasn't taken out Asia high, haven't swept that high up there, while the GBP AUD actually did take out that high, you know. So we do have that SMT too, where there's the SMT. Let me just point it out. There's that SMT there. Where is my SMT? We got that SMT there, and then we have this SMT here. Right, so that's the SMT divergence that are you know, on these two pairs. GBP AUD took out the high, Euro AUD failed to take out that high. So which means GBP AUD right now is a stronger one as compared to the Euro AUD. Euro AUD is a weaker one in this case. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for since what? Since I've been trading since 2019. I was introduced to Forex in 2018, but I didn't really take it serious. And then 2019, that's when I actually started taking it a little bit more serious. You know, that's when I started funding. So yeah. So that's probably like what? How long has that been? Let's do primary school math here. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, now in 24. Almost 6 years. Almost 6 years. Almost 6 years. 6 years, yeah. But obviously counting the months, it's almost 6. I just entered the GA short. Oh well. What was your entry there? What was your entry? Let me. What was your entry to enter GA now? What was your entry? Let's forget that market structure shift there, or the fact that we're in a trade. What was your entry? But what does this mean? Joel, are you meaning the S? You just deleted the message. Okay, it's cool. It said, okay, 9652. Nice. Nice. But what was the entry though? Why did you enter there? What was your confirmation? Not the price, sorry. What was your confirmation to enter the trade? There. What was your confirmation? Or maybe is it a higher time frame? media array or some buy side swept. Yeah, this time the buy side swept here, but I'm trying to see where I would enter from there. I don't see. I do not see it. So, and also the fact that we are outside of the kill zone. We are literally outside of the London kill zone, which ended 6 minutes ago. We're outside of the kill zone, so yeah. I won't be taking any trades from now on until New York. Until New York time, there won't be any trades being executed. Only this currently holding, just gonna hold it until SL or TP, whatever it is, whatever the price decides. And yeah, so this is the only trade that I will have. I'll definitely update this. I think, what do you guys think? Do you guys have anything, any questions, anything to add before I'm thinking of ending the stream right here? Or should I end it in the next 9 minutes, just to make it a 3-hour stream? Just to make it a 3-hour stream, you know, just to make it a 3-hour stream. 26 votes, 4% said they haven't liked, and this I haven't liked. Come on guys, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Could you end when the trade is finished? I'm leaning a bit. I wish I could just sit here for the whole 5 hours, 6 hours. You know, I can leave the stream open, but you know, I gotta stretch. No, I gotta touch grass. You know, I gotta touch grass. I have to go somewhere in the next around 12. You know, and then I'll be back before people go out for like an hour. What time is the news? The cat news. Will I go live? Should I just let the stream run until New York? Should I let the stream run until New York? And I'll just leave this running, and then we'll just continue during New York. Should I just do that instead of ending the stream here? I can just, I'll have to be somewhere, so I can just leave the music playing, play a playlist or whatever, and then we'll continue from New York, right? Just to see how the New York pad plays out. Okay, I'll just do that. I'll just leave the stream open and get some playlists for y'all. I'll just play some music in the background. Some people are saying close, come back for okay. What pair for SMT? Correlated pairs. We'll go through that. GBP, if you're looking at GBP AUD, the correlated pair to it is the Euro AUD. If you're looking at the NZD USD, the correlated pair for it is the AUD NZD. If you're looking at the Euro USD, GBP USD, you know, things like that. And also NZD JPY, AUD JPY. No point leaving stream open since you won't be here. Okay, Alan says Oladapo says I should just close the stream and come back. And why? And most people are saying I shouldn't close it. Guys, I shouldn't just... Let's do a poll, right? Let's do a poll. Okay, let's do a poll. One time. Cause... Yeah, let's do a poll. Should I let the stream run until New York? And then it'll say yes, let it run, or no, cut it now and come back NY. Let's do the poll. We'll see. We'll see. If you're not here at point, I say, guys, I have to get somewhere, and I'm only doing the live stream on New York because you guys are asking me, and you guys better be there. You guys better be there during New York if you want me to be there in New York. What time is the news? 8:30, right? 8:30, which is like my local time is like 2:30, isn't it? 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. So we'll see. So far, cut it, come back. Well, it's just 3 votes, 4 votes now, but okay. Big years, nigga, man. Oh yeah, somebody asked me what is your... So I think I just how much are you risking on GBP? Sorry, Ellie, how much are you risking on GBP AUT trade? 1% on funded accounts, right? Or challenges, it's 1%, and then obviously on personal funds it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different, but 1%. To answer your question, 1%. Your patient and your explanation was very good. Thanks, man. Joe, thank you. I took gbpusd. We took 50% off M5, and M1 took microstructure shift. You took gbpusd buy from the... Did you take it from the 50%? As it bounced off the 50%. If you're not there, it's pointless. Just call it a week, my brother, and come back fresh on Monday. Yeah. Also, I'll update you guys on the Telegram channel if I'm doing a live stream on the New York session, if I'll be able to do that. So Joe, you said you took a buy on this. You already took out 50%, and then he said microstructure shift. Oh no, 1 minute. Well, current microstructure shift, or what? The one that you... I don't know, but yeah, if you're already holding that, that's dope. You can just hold it, and yeah. So yeah, guys, well, everybody, it's 50-50, guys, but I'm just gonna cut the stream, guys. I'm sorry. And then I'll update you guys. I'll update you guys on how the trade went, the GBP AUD, and then we'll just log. I'll just log that based on the results, on how it went. I'll just log it on the journal, just in case y'all don't have it. Just log it on that, on how it goes, and then I'll also update you guys if I'm coming New York or not. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for being here, thank you for liking the stream, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. I also took that GU at 50%, then exited. Now I regret it. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. No time to regret. You exited for a reason. Respect that reason, right? Next time you know what to do, because it could have just went low and hit your SL, you know. Or would you say you regretted taking the trade or exiting? You wouldn't. So I don't know. It's just a mindset. It's just a mindset. You'll be fine. Yeah, guys, thank you for being on the stream. Really appreciate it. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.